By the end of 2021, my goal is to become a full-time content creator. But before we get into that, let's take a step back. I always loved creating videos, whether it was a music cover or a funny sketch with my friends. But somewhere along the way, I began my journey into adulthood. I thought creating on YouTube would never get me anywhere. Even though a good amount of my videos were getting more views, I never committed to it fully. I followed the construct of society. Go to school, get a job, make money, live a happy life, right? In 2017, I moved to Denver, Colorado, and got that full-time job. I started making more money than I ever had before, but I wasn't fulfilled, and I found myself ridden with anxiety and demotivation. Granted, this job was in an industry that I wasn't fond of, and it wasn't the content that I wanted to be making. Regardless, in 2018, I started my own business. I can work for myself, doing what I'm good at, creating video for others to help them grow their businesses. It's been amazing, and I love handing over that final product to a happy client. But sometimes working for yourself is tough. Life as a freelancer is very unstable. Things were okay, but they had never really been good. Multiple times in 2019, my bank account hit $0 and below that. In the 3 years that I've been running this business, I've made a net income of about $50,000. Despite my passion, despite knowing the potential of my business, I often question whether or not this is what I want to do with my life. Will it ever get any better? In the search to finding more purpose in my life, I came across a personal development and learning platform called Mindvalley, and it's completely changed the trajectory of where I'm headed in life. I'm rediscovering my passions and how I can use them not just for myself, but for anyone watching. In the chase for more money, I actually made less of it, and I also lost my passion for creating. I don't want that to stop, ever again. So here I am. I have goals for this channel, and I want to share them with you. I want to get sponsored by Epidemic Sound. How I'm going to do that is I'll be making sketches and creative content using their royalty-free music platform. In my opinion, it's the best in the business, and that's why I want to work with them. I want to create and share cover songs and originals that send a message. Whether it's trending songs or genre-bending experiments, I want you to feel something with my music. I want to share my experiences as a young business owner to help you on your journey too. This might be personal development advice, conversations with other business owners, likely in the form of a podcast, or just sharing my experiences and creating a lesson to be learned from them. I want to expand my horizons mentally and physically, and I want to build a community of like-minded individuals who want to do the same. If you'd like to join me, please subscribe and comment on this video what kind of content you'd like to see from me in the future. Let's do this.